In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select Google. Now choose All Services over here. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. Then choose Google Password Manager and finally tap on any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock, hit the Delete button over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!